Hey guys, welcome to yet another TV series review. I'm yours Vizivi from Arcade Studios, and today we have one of the most anticipated TV show after one of its kind was The Banger. Due to many of our fans requesting us to do it, who are we not to obey the call? Today we'll be going back to Westeros and we'll be looking at House of the Dragon. So, shall we? House of the Dragon is an upcoming American fantasy drama television series created by George Martin and Ryan Condal for HBO. It is a prequel to the television series Game of Thrones 2011 to 2019 and is based on Martin's 2018 novel Fire and Blood. The series is set 300 years before the events of Game of Thrones and chronicles the beginning of the end of House Targaryen. House of the Dragon received a straight-to-series order in October 2019, with casting beginning in July 2020 and principal photography beginning in April 2021 in the United Kingdom. The first season of the series is scheduled to air in 2022 and will consist of 10 episodes. It is a very interesting story, and I cannot wait to see it get brought to life on the screen. Filming on House of the Dragon just began only a few days ago, and several photos are already starting to surface on the internet. Let me know how you feel about the same on the comment section below. House of the Dragon, the Game of Thrones prequel series, will bring Fire and Blood to HBO. Fire and Blood are coming. House of the Dragon, HBO's Game of Thrones prequel about the Targaryen dynasty, recently started production and the cast has started filming. HBO released several new character photos, including one that reveals Matt Smith as a Targaryen prince, looking very different from his other royal role, Prince Philip on the Crown. Winter already came and went on Game of Thrones, which concluded its 8th-season run in May 2019. HBO wanted to follow up on the biggest show in its history, so the network began developing 5 potential Game of Thrones spin-offs. They moved forward with one, House of the Dragon. House of the Dragon had a bit of a winding road to existence. HBO first selected an entirely different project for a spin-off, set during the time of the Age of Heroes, but after filming a pilot starring Naomi Watts, that project was scrapped. Here is everything we know about House of the Dragon so far. HBO released official character photos of cast members as their characters, including Princess Rhaenyra Targaryen and the Sea Snake. Set photos show Matt Smith and Emma Archie filming scenes on a beach. Production has started on House of the Dragon, with the cast gathering for a socially distanced table read. House of the Dragon does not have a release date, but HBO has an idea of when the show will air. HBO announced the series order in October 2019. In late July 2020, the first rounds of casting began, but that still leaves a lot of steps, which are filming, editing, and visual effects. The latter may take a significant amount of time, since a Targaryen focus series will have to include dragons. Production is set to begin in April, according to Cassie Bloys, Chief Content Officer at HBO and HBO Max. If it is anywhere near as complicated as Game of Thrones, then consider this. Season 8 required 9 months of filming, then took 9 months until its premiere. If House of the Dragon follows a similar timeline, then we are looking at a release date, March or April 2022. That would actually make a lot of sense, since almost every season of Game of Thrones premiered in those months. HBO released the first set photos from House of the Dragon, marking the start of production on the show. One of the pics shared on Twitter provides a look at the cast members at a socially distanced table read. HBO also tweeted out individual images of the House of Dragon cast members at the table read, which a fan on Instagram helpfully put together in a collage. It includes Considine, Smith, Cook, Townsend, Aki, and Ifans. The first set photos of the cast filming scenes have emerged. Matt Smith and Emma Aki were spotted filming on a beach in Cornwall, England. They are both sporting wigs to have the white blonde hair of the Targaryens. Smith is Prince Daemon while Aki is Princess Rhaenyra. More on the characters below. HBO released official photos of the cast in costumes as their characters. The pics reveal Matt Smith as Prince Daemon Targaryen and Emma Aki as Princess Rhaenyra Targaryen. Steve Townsend as Lord Corlys Velaryon, aka the Sea Snake, and Olivia Cooke as Alicent Hightower, and Rhys Ifans as Otto Hightower. The House of Dragon cast is led by Paddy Considine, who will play King Viserys according to Entertainment Weekly. He is described as being chosen by the Lords of Westeros to succeed the old king, Jaehaerys Targaryen, at the Great Council of Harrenhal. A warm, kind, and decent man, Viserys only wishes to carry forward his grandfather's legacy, but good men do not necessarily make for great kings.
Thank you.
House of the Dragon is set several hundred years before the events of Game of Thrones. It is based on Martin's novel Fire and Blood, which chronicles the rule of House Targaryen from the beginning. The story starts with Aegon I Targaryen's conquest of the Seven Kingdoms of Westeros. House of the Dragon will focus on a particular part of the Targaryen history, the Dance of Dragons. It was a bloody and brutal Targaryen civil war that takes place 200 years before the events of Game of Thrones. That's a little more than a century after Aegon Swan's conquest. Star Olivia Cooke has revealed that House of the Dragon won't have the gratuitous graphic violence against women that was commonplace on Thrones. She told The Telegraph that, "I wouldn't feel comfortable in being a part of anything that has egregious graphic violence towards women for no reason whatsoever, just because they want it to be tantalizing in a way that gets viewers."
If you had to choose between Rhaenyra and Aegon, who would you have chosen?
The best and worst Game of Thrones episodes. King Viserys I dead sets of a struggle for succession between his daughter from his first marriage, Princess Rhaenyra, and his son from his second marriage, Aegon II. Princess Shireen Baratheon recounted this story in a 5th season episode of Game of Thrones. Brothers fought brothers, dragons fought dragons, she reminded her father, Stannis. By the time it was over, thousands were dead. As Shireen noted, the conflict took its toll on the Targaryens as almost all of their dragons died in the war. The beasts remained extinct for a century and a half until Daenerys Targaryen hatched her 3 dragons in the Game of Thrones. House of the Dragon episodes. House of the Dragon will consist of 10 episodes. While we don't know the episodes' titles yet, HBO has revealed the directors. House of the Dragon Season 1 directors include Claire Kilner, EastEnders, Rita Patel, who was director of The Witcher, and Greg Getner's House. They join Miguel Sapochnik, who was previously announced as the director of the pilot. House of the Dragon does not have a trailer yet. HBO could include a mention of the series in the network's next big look-ahead teaser for upcoming shows in 2022. In early December, HBO released 2 teaser images with the caption, "Dragons are coming," as part of an announcement that filming begins in 2021. That basically fits in with our estimated timeline above. This is what we had for you today. Remember to give the video a thumbs up, share, and also subscribe for more review updates. Hope you all enjoy. Bye! Thank you for taking your time to watch. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment down below. I hope you all enjoy. Bye!